In this video, we'll explore how the Mendix platform is designed to support all developers involved during the application lifecycle. We'll cover visual model building, security and navigation, integration, supporting reuse, and developer enhancement. From citizen developers through to professional developers, the platform offers a set of tools to allow for collaborative development. The Web Modeler is a collaborative, no-code, web-based application development environment. Using the Web Modeler, citizen developers and business analysts can quickly build and change applications without any software development experience. The Desktop Modeler is a modeling IDE that allows users to develop integrations and extensions. This modeler is a locally installed application, allowing you to build apps whilst offline. Developers use the Mendix Desktop Modeler to create engaging web and mobile applications without code. Developers can also use their favourite coding IDE to build extensions via Java and JavaScript, combined with the Desktop Modeler. Changes are kept in sync across development environments by using a version control repository. Applications built using the Mendix platform are full-stack applications consisting of data, pages, logic, and security. Pages are built using a visual page editor, allowing users to build both dynamic and static pages. Create device-specific experiences by using navigation profiles, page layouts, and logic, while still sharing the common underlying app data and integrations. Data is defined by using domain models. Domain models are a visualization of your data structure. Based on UML, they allow developers to easily build and understand the data structure. Models contain entities, attributes, and associations, allowing you to create business data. The modeler supports the use of inheritance to minimize the amount of duplication across applications. Inheriting an entity makes all its properties and functionality available. For example, inheriting system file document allows for uploading and downloading of documents. Entities are either persistable or non-persistable, allowing for data objects to be stored in the database or in memory. The runtime performs a comparison between the domain models and the database. Any differences are updated automatically in the database of your choice. Logic is created in Mendix modelers in the form of microflows and nanoflows. Microflows and nanoflows allow developers to visually add complex business logic without having to write code. This is the equivalent of a procedure in traditional coding. Just like in the coding world, Mendix supports subflows, recursion, error handling, and input-output parameters. Microflows run on the server side and are executed by the Java Scala runtime environment. Nanoflows run on the client side, using JavaScript, making them perfect for offline logic decisions. Mendix applications come with a number of security features. The runtime handles threats such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. User security layers are configurable via user and module roles, allowing developers to control what pages, logic, and data a role has access to. The Mendix runtime uses the security settings to determine what data is sent to the client, allowing the use of pages and logic across roles. Integrate apps with your enterprise security frameworks such as SAML, LDAP, and SSO. The Mendix platform removes the complexity of integrating to third-party services, using the modeler to integrate apps to any SOAP, REST, or OData API. The modeler can interpret any XML or JSON structure to build a mapping between the Mendix app and the service. The Mendix data mapper allows for the transformation and synchronization of data. Any microflow or entity is exposable as an API, along with the relevant documentation. Utilize data from existing databases by using the database connector, allowing developers to connect to a range of database management systems. Mendix uses a centralized version control repository. Every project built using the Mendix platform comes with a version control system called Team Server, allowing multiple developers to collaborate on a project. Developers can create branch lines of their applications, allowing them to work on new functionality without affecting the mainline development. Once complete, branch lines can be merged back into the mainline. Team Server gives a complete history of all changes to a project, allowing for rolling back to a previous version. The web and desktop modelling environments contain a wide range of enhancements to improve developer productivity. Mendix performs 10 times more consistency checks than traditional code compilers. Consistency checks analyse security complexity and integrity of models. The advantage is that through extensive quality and consistency checking, applications require less testing, allowing for testers to focus more on functional testing. The Mendix platform contains an integrated quality governance tool called Application Quality Monitor, or AQM. The Mendix AQM offers a dashboard that provides instant insight into the quality of the application models. Debug locally, on-premises, or in the cloud using the Mendix Modeler or Java IDE. The modeler features a full visual debugger, allowing developers to inspect variables, step through activities, and add conditional breakpoints. The Mendix modeler speeds up the refactoring process by automatically updating all references throughout your app when changes are made to your model. The modeler contains a full set of refactoring tools, making it simple to refactor functionality. For example, any microflow can be extracted into a subflow for reuse. All references are automatically updated. Another example is renaming an entity, which will update all references across pages, microflows, queries, and code extensions, ensuring consistency and saving manual effort. Any component of an app, such as modules, connectors, microflows, building blocks, and widgets, are reusable across applications. Share components on the Mendix App Store, allowing for reuse across your organization via the Enterprise Private App Store or the Mendix community via the Public App Store. The platform's openness allows for extensions to be built at both application and platform level. Extend on the client side using JavaScript and package as a custom widget to reuse across other applications. Extend on the server side by building connectors and utilize any Java or Scala library. Extend the platform by utilizing platform APIs, for example, to integrate Mendix with an existing DevOps toolchain. We've shown how Mendix uses visual modeling to allow developers to collaborate during the application development lifecycle, allowing for rapid application development across mobile, tablet, and responsive web. Now, what will you build?